Hey everybody, this is Vinny with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most useful and versatile Excel tools out there. This week, like every week for the last 15-16 years, my goal is to bring you a powerful Excel software that combines Excel and some type of API, such as Google Maps API, and combining to something that is not native to Excel, but that allow you to do certain things and have certain features and certain functionality that you wouldn't usually do with Excel. So the goal today is to bring you the best software in Excel to locate the closest contractor from a list of contractors. So the idea is you have a list of customers and a list of contractors or service providers, and you want to match those in a batch type of format, based on location, based on proximity. So in other words, finding the closest contractor or service provider for each one of your clients based on address. For those who are not familiar with what we do, let me kind of give you a little bit of background. I've been building Excel tools for the last 16 years, and during this time, almost every week I get a handful of emails about how a lot of our tools have helped a lot of you guys, and we have managed to service and help businesses from one-man operation to large conglomerates and anywhere in between to large corporations, and being able to help them with whether for owners or managers or operators, to help them in completing certain tasks with efficiency and ease and ability to remove human error from the equation. Also, feel free to check out my Google reviews. As of now, I believe we've got about 114 Google reviews, all positive. Oh, actually, there is one over there that's negative. Feel free to check that one out as well. Just kind of telling us how much our software has been helping you guys. And it's kind of been really fun being able to discuss and help you out with the software and get the feedback, which has allowed me to improve my tools and build new tools as it comes. In addition to that, what we have been doing is something that no other company out there does. I do actually put my phone out there. If you've got any questions on this, feel free to reach out, give me a call, and I'd be more than happy to answer any questions on not just this product, but any of my products. So without further ado, let me show you how this thing works. In this specific, once you download the tool, again, there's a download link in the description. On the customers sheet, we manage and we enter our list of customers. We also have a contractors. Make sure that each contractor has an address. It can be store or the contractor address. And because the tool uses Google Maps API, it can use a combination of cities, zip codes. Obviously, the more detailed the address, the better, and full addresses. Also, we'll deal with partial addresses if that's all you have. Obviously, again, we're aiming to have the most accurate address possible, and that'll give you the driving distance to 1/100th of a mile. Once we do that, I enter my list of customers. The customer name is not required. Customer address is required because that is what we'll be using to match. And at that point, all I got to do is click on the calculate button, and the tool will give me a match for every customer. It will give me the contractor that is the closest, their name, which will bring it from the contractor, the team member name, and their address, and the driving distance and the straight line and driving distance, and also the driving time that it takes that will take the contractor to drive there. And really, it should be as easy as that. I appreciate you watching this video. Again, here's my phone number. If you've got any questions, feel free to give me a call. I'd be more than happy to answer any questions for you. I'll pick up the phone. Thank you very much for watching. Feel free to check out my other videos, and until next time.